In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a video in Qualtrics. Now, first you want to open your survey and you want to select the question or, of course, the block where you want to add and embed a video. So I'm going to go to the top over here, click on the plus button to add a question in front, and then I'm going to switch this question into a text/graphic. Now, of course, you can do whichever one you want. I just prefer this one, and if you click on add new question, this is where you can find it. Now, you want to actually click in here and go into a rich content editor, and then you want to click on either over here to actually insert media, but this only allows you to basically put in the URL to a video like a YouTube URL or something. If you want to actually embed embed code in here, so embed a video, what you can do is click on here where it says source. So click on source, then go and find your embed code. I'm going to embed one of my YouTube videos, right click, copy embed code, and then you can simply paste it in here instead of this text. And as you can see, just like this, if I click out, my video is going to be embedded in here, okay? So that's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.